Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another live stream after a long time. We have got Jay here, Akshita, Tushar, and Vikas
Hello.
as well. So we are here for, okay, let me just ask Jay to carry on with this. Go on, Jay.
Yeah. So before we start for the opening ceremony, I think so many of you were waiting. A lot of queries were there, and I'm able to help you all. So before that, I want more and more people should join because we are only having 120 people. So I want more people to join, and then we'll start with a good session. Okay. And I think so my voice would be clear to everyone on YouTube because if you have just comment so that I can also see. Okay. So first, let's wait others to join, and then we'll have a good session. And I'll tell you what else we are doing now and how it will benefiting you everyone. And I will be seeing your comments. Okay, I'm seeing your comments over here. Don't worry. Okay, and don't just spam it like where is my pass, what to do. I'm telling you everything. Don't get worried. Okay, I've seen your all the comments from the last week. Okay. So let's have few more people in. We have right now only 161 people. So I would suggest contributors just message on Discord and ask your fellows to join because that will be more better. Because this session is very important. Because if this gets like you are unable to attend, see the recording, no worries. But this is very important because you'll be unable to do any contribution in the program. Okay. Let's wait for more people to join. I will ask your fellows because we have around 5K people and 173 is less. We need more people. We need more people in. Then only it will be better to understand like a good session can be done. Okay. So Praveen, till then you can switch to the two thing.
Two thing. Okay. Just
So
give me a
that
second.
so that I can start speaking and all. Okay, no worries. So let's. No worries, guys. No worries.
Four of you stay in the call. That's it. Let's
Just do again because I need the two thing you and me now.
Oh, you want me?
I'll
Okay.
be inviting the admins soon.
Tushar and Akshita, switch off your videos.
Switch off, everyone. Yep. Have you done the two thing?
Done.
Perfect. Folks, let's have more people in because that will be more better. That's why we switched to 2V now. Okay. Let me also comment on Discord because I think this session should be good. Till then, I would like spam with more comments of Praveen because I know that he is an open source geek and open source person. And please join and all everyone.
And one more thing. I'm happy to answer any comments, all the comments. I'm going to look at it. And right now I'm going to answer every single comment. Okay. Cool.
So guys, I'm okay. If you want, I am also sending a mail because you say me that no need to send mail. Now I'll be sending a mail as well because I want to make it a good success. And 163 is very low. I want 1,000 people at least to join because this time the program has gone into global level, and I want this success should be shared with everyone.
Okay, the first thing. One. All right. Okay, I just wanted to have a couple of words. Before that, I wanted to give a big disclaimer. I am not a part of MLH. It was just one day. I was as a coach one day, and I love this cap so that I'm having this cap. That is the only thing. And another thing is a lot of people have given the same comments. I am a beginner, and all the great and awesome issues are taken up by experts. Yes, I have been looking at this pattern every single time, but don't worry. If you are a beginner, you would be getting amazing things. Check out all the repositories and talk to me in case, like in my repository, I'm also a project admin here. Hey, by the way, I forgot your name, shit. Jay.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. I'm just sending.
What is my position in social, man? Tell me.
You. What do you want? What do you want? You tell me.
Okay, you.
And also, Praveen, Abhishek is there in the chat. Please make him a moderator so that he can comment and help you out.
I couldn't find Abhishek at all.
Abhishek, if you're live, just say hey to Praveen so that you can take control of the comments as well.
Okay. And how many people are live right now? Just tell me the number, please.
It's 180.
That's low.
Some
I
people
need
are
more
saying,
people.
not live got ended or something. No, it still works.
No, I have
Okay, we will
not
see.
got ended.
Uh,
Check your network. Check your network, Dio. Check your network. Live is working fine.
Abhishek Mankuskar, yes. Yeah,
Okay, too many comments.
Abhishek,
No,
you
it's
are a
not
moderator,
automatically
man.
closed. Yeah, I'm seeing all your things. Check your network. That will be better because it's a live stream. Sometimes it happens. Okay. It's a network issue. It's working fine. Let's have more people in. Okay. I'll just see your comments. Okay.
Okay, I'm
So
just gonna
before we start, before we start, everyone,
please
I want
enable
everyone.
caption. Rakshit, stop spamming, man. It's not about enabling caption. I don't think there is any way to enable live captions here. Do you
No,
know
live
how to do
caption
that?
is not possible. It's only possible when a recorded video is going on. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Live capture is not possible because there
It's not
is
possible.
no such thing. No worries. So,
No worries.
guys, before I start, a simple question I'll ask. Spam it with comments. For you, what is open source?
Yes, please. This one, please spam it.
Please,
And
I
also,
want for
and
you, what is open source? Please don't
I
Google it. Please don't Google it.
don't
As a
Google it.
open source person, I am.
Don't
Just
go.
tell me.
Yep. Go on. Don't Google.
Can just tell like for you what is actually open source is how what you're looking from SSoC so that
AJ,
as
I
a
want to tell
creator
a story, Jay.
no
So ask
yeah
them what open sources and ask them to tell what open sources. That is okay.
Mhm.
After that, I want to tell a storytelling mode, and then you tell what your version is, and we will select one of the best comments.
Sure
I'll give a
I
small.
want them because I want a good engagement over here and it should benefit them because at the end this program is for them not for me.
Right.
I'm just doing only for these students
Cool.
because
We have got a lot of answers right now.
I'm seeing that I know that these are many of them are from first years this time like the
Harshit,
registration
Harshit,
has
how
like
many times if you are putting, you have only one chance, man. That is only one time you have been given. Thrice. Okay. So it does not consider three times. It's only one time. And I'm gonna choose
guys just comment only one time
once
only
is enough.
don't
We are looking at every
once enough is better. I'm
yeah,
seeing all
we
the
are literally
comments.
looking at all the comments. Wait.
Anshul, please don't
This
spam it again and
this is
again. That will
crazy.
be my
Wait.
what
Sonal
happened.
says TCS Ion. Really? Is Ion actually open source? I couldn't believe it. I thought they were
Who?
closed. No, Sonal, I don't think it is open source.
Okay. So I think so. We have right now 239 people. Let's now start, Praveen. Okay.
Yep, sure.
I'm seeing all your comments. Thank you for your answers. You can till now see, and I'm able to help you out. So, welcome to the opening ceremony, guys. Now I'll be telling you few important things, how the contribution works. We have all the project admins in the live stream. They'll be soon coming here and they'll be telling about their projects and all. And Praveen is like one of the like project admin over here with me. So as like SSoC this time has like flooded like anything from like a 1700 last year to 7K this year that we have received. It's something like you all have made it a huge thing that I appreciate and thank everyone that making a huge and a global level program SSoC. Now the thing comes in that what we'll be going to do in SSoC, how the contribution work, how we'll be getting scored, and what are the prizes. These are few simple questions that everyone is asking and raising the tickets. Okay, I have seen that and I'm going to answer all them. So SSoC, we are here to give you the platform. Contribute, learn, network, and make friends. I want you all to make friends because at the end, network helps you after your university get ended because
Yeah.
you never know when network can do any possibility or any miracle, to be honestly speaking. Okay. And now if I go with another set of things that how contribution works. Now, if I say how contribution works, contribution will be working on coin. So Praveen, I'm able to share my screen. I'm
Let
allowed,
me know
right?
once you share the screen. No, no, no. Then you
I
can
want to share my screen so that I can give a good
go for it.
Go for
Go
it. So
for
guys,
it. Go
I'm
for it.
sharing my
Go ahead.
screen. Just say that yes, it's visible so that I can also see the comments of yours. Let me just share the screen and I'll be telling you how actually the contribution works on coin. Because I know that many people using that, and what is coin, why not GitHub? I'll tell you everything. That's I have also had one of the sessions with the CEO on 3rd of June at 1:30 p.m. because I know that whatsoever insights will be giving will be beneficial for you.
Did you say
Okay.
1:30 p.m.? Is it like Coin CEO
India
is at
time,
my
India
place?
time, India time, India time,
I know,
India time,
dude.
1:30 p.m. Yes, your will be
I'm ask-
9 a.m.
okay, what I'm asking is Coin
Hmm.
in London, like just next to me?
Yeah,
Just tell me the address.
I,
I just want to go and get all the
yeah,
stacks.
I'll connect you. I'll connect you with them. No worries, because we will have few AMAs with them. Don't worry. First, let me just share my screen, guys.
Go
Then
for
we'll
it.
do. Okay. Just wait for a moment, guys. I'm just sharing my screen. First of all, I need to close few panels because I don't want that to be shared. Was
Because you have all the
yeah.
passwords.
Yep. So my screen is visible, guys.
No, wait, I have not even shared your screen.
Please just shared my screen and just spam with yes, please. Yes, 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 yes. I want Praveen. YouTube should get spammed. Like, yeah, now it's I think
In a good
visible.
way. In a good way.
Yeah. So yeah, perfect. So my visible, perfect. Yeah, no need to say yes more. No need to say yes more. I've seen your comments. Okay. Guys. Okay.
You are
Okay.
dead.
Okay. Got it. Okay. So this is where the contribution will be working. I think so. Has anyone seen coin platform explode? Just want to know. Just want to know. Have you explored coin?
I
Have
did
you explored
extent.
coin? Just tell me yes or no. If no, don't worry. Because I want to know that if you have explored it.
A lot of people have been telling me no.
There is one comment coming once again. Nen Tarav, just can we remove that comment, please, Praveen? It's a live stream. It's not a
I mean, like he is
religious sentiment thing
exactly.
that you're doing.
It's fine. I mean, Abhishek is handling it, I believe.
Yeah, Abhishek, please see to that. Please, that will be better. Spamming the same thing. It's a live stream. It's not some religious kind of thing is doing. That I will not prefer over here. Okay. So I think many of them you have not explored. You have just signed up and leave. Okay. So guys, this is the a coin dashboard. Yesterday itself, for a social summer of code, they have launched the creators corner as well. I'll be telling you everything one by one. So this is the dashboard where you're able to see your contributions and whatsoever projects are there. So what actually coin do? Coin has selected the repo across the GitHub which are very highly contributing. Okay, not everyone. There are like millions of repos. So they have selected some those repos which are like people are contributing and it's like very beneficial for them. So let me just open my bookmark repos. So I think so everyone has bookmarked their repo and everyone is able to see what is happening. So I think so my net is going slow. Just wait for a moment, guys. I'm so yeah. So here are the repos. The project started with FaceX, Future WebNet, MLDL simplified, algorithm, front end projects, cats and tech. I'll be doing live project. I'll be making it on coin for you. And last is build your own project. So let's take an example. I'm a contributor and I want to contribute in FaceX. So after opening the repo, it will show like this. I think so. Doing last mistake a few times. Sorry for that. Yeah. So it will show like this, where you can like as well, you can comment as well. Okay, like a community comments. Plus, if you see, it is showing like unassigned issues 38, but on GitHub it's showing you the unassigned issues 61. So what coin algorithm has done that it has fetched those issues which are for contributors, and it is like for beginners. Okay, so that's why you might be saying that it has done intentionally. They have the algorithm to avoid those issues which are no one will like contributing. They have automatically fetched those issues which are like good issue concept that they have on coin, and that's why you will not be able to see all the issues. Same with all the projects. So if you are making any issue, you have to contact a project admin. Admin will make an issue, and then only it will show on coin. Okay, and how to just go with the how to select any issue. For example, I want to go to request for adding issue. I click on get started. A screen like this will be visible. Okay, after going to this, I'll click on to-do list. A to-do list will be open. It is for only you only. It's not for mandate. Is to-do list. Everyone knows like what is to-do list, what they do, because at the end to-do list will help you to do like to keep a track of your contributions. Okay, this is how the to-do list will be shown. Okay, let me just select the issue, please, because my net is going slow. Yeah, I click on to-do list. Yeah, so here, like if you're able to see Akshita's issue is there, so you can drag, drop, and process and complete it based on your like thing, like whatsoever things you're doing, because it's for your mind, like what you are doing right now, which issues are pending, which are in progress, which are completed. Okay, then when you click on get started, it will ask you to go to issue on GitHub. I'll go to GitHub, and an issue like this will be coming where you have to comment. And if you know that, the admin will be assigning you the issue. So over here, what you have to do, you have to comment over here that I would like to do this issue, and Akshita will be assigning the issue to them. Okay, and when it's get assigned, automatically the coin algorithm will start its procedure. Whenever you make the PR, whenever you do any sort of activity, it's tracking. And when your PR is merged by Akshita or by the project admins of for the other projects, what will happen? You will get Dev rank over here. Like this is a demo thing, just avoid this. You will get your rank over here. So you will get your scores right away on coin, and admins will keep a track of it. Okay. So I'll tell you what are the scores basically based on the tendency of the projects. If I say the Akshita's project, FaceX, the score of per issue solved is 340. Okay. If I go to Future WebNet, the per issue scored is 79. Okay. If I go to DL Simplified, the per issue scored is 179. Then for algorithm, it's 171. And for front-end projects, it's 144. Okay. So these are the scores that per issue that we'll be solving. We'll be having more issues every time we'll be adding, so that it should not have like less issues. There will be a lot of issues for you. Don't worry. I'll be also adding more and more issues, so that we should like give you the excitement of SSoC, and you should learn a lot of things. And let me see the comments if you have any queries and all. So Mahendra, I just clarified the issue is not visible in coin because coin has its own algorithm. It has fetched those issues which is good for beginners for contributing. Okay, that's why coin is done this. That's why not all issues are there. I think I have clarified this thing. Okay, let's say if you want to solve issue which is not present in coin, I'll suggest solve those issues which are in coin, because we are here to help you out to do the contribution in a fun way. Okay, if you want to do, you can do, not an issue, but score pattern will happen based on a contribution. Okay, and okay, let the comments I'll also see so that I should help you out. So for SSoC issues you have to contact a project admin. Admin will be contacting the issues. no contributor will be making any issues. You have to take prior approval from the admin, and then they will be making the issues. I'm again saying you don't have to make any issues. Project admins will be making the issues for you. If you have any issue that you want to create, contact the admin. They'll be creating it. I'm again saying, okay. As of now, Rahul, I selected minimum projects, not like taking 100, 200 projects, because at the end, I know that many of you will not be become inactive. Projects become inactive, and it's a very lengthy process for everyone. That's why we have taken lower projects this time than others, else we take 100 plus. There's a huge feedback we have got in our last programs in SWOC and SSoC, that whatsoever activity is going on. To avoid that, we have taken only those projects which we think is better for you to kickstart in open source. Okay. And there is one more project. So I didn't told that. Praveen, you can step in now.
I'll take care in a few minutes. I'm just trying to answer all the.
I want you to come because now it's time to have cats in tech now.
Oh, really? Okay. That would
Yeah.
be nice.
Please come in now. Guys, now Praveen's repo is left. Okay. Because we are here to help you all. Okay. It's not like having 100 projects and you are contributing, because sometimes project admins also become inactive due to some reason. To avoid that, we have taken minimal projects. I think that few will be telling that, man, this is not done, this is not done. You will be getting upset. That's the thing. That's why we have taken minimum projects. I have myself has selected. I have received a lot of project applications. I have to take those in which you can do the contribution. Okay, was taking 100. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, man. So a lot of people are asking, if you are planning to contribute to any project, how do I contact the who is the project admin? So in the projects list page, you have the project admin's name. At the same time, from GitHub, you will be able to see who is the project admin and try to ask them. So that is one thing. And a lot of people have also asked this question, what about DSA? Jay, I think we are not working with DSA or anything, right?
Are you looking for DSA repos? Because I've taken the repositories which like commonly good. If you're working in DSA, so first we'll go with the Praveen's cat and tech repo. Then I'll tell you what is the build your own project, because that is something most of you want to do it, because that's something that I got a good response in SWOC season 3, and I want the same should carry forward in this program, because over there you are the admins, you are creating your own project, and I'm giving you a chance to become an open source contributor worldwide. Okay, I'll be telling you everything, guys. Don't worry. First we'll start with cats in tech, then I'll tell you about build on, and then I'll inviting the project admins to come in, and then they'll be telling about their projects. Okay, don't worry. Praveen, you can share your screen, and then let's have cats in tech on coin during the live stream, and they should contribute to your repo as well.
You're like suddenly asking me to do this. I'm not even ready.
No worries, because that's the excitement I want now from the contributors, because I want them. Open source should help them to get their dream to get fulfilled.
Got it. So first thing,
right. Okay. So guys, I'm telling now Praveen will be having its cats in tech repo live on coin. We'll be adding. Okay. So what we'll be doing, Praveen, open the dashboard. Okay, you can just take your creators comment that you have to add. Guys, that this is the GitHub one. We are adding in the coin thing. He's taking some comment and all.
Before that, should I explain what my project is or anything?
No, we'll tell over there. Don't worry. You open dashboard of coin.
So by
no
the way,
need to tell over there. Coin will fetch everything. Don't worry.
All right. So here is coin dashboard, and I go to the contribute and click on creators corner. And here I'm going to add the repository, and it's going to fetch all the repositories. I'm going to put GitHub README, and then it is basically, it doesn't say how many stars I have or anything because it's my fork. And should we okay, so creators comment.
Please add your creators comment over here.
I'll just copy this one and paste it over here.
And please add a feedback, welcome, beta welcome, new contributor welcome. Yeah, please submit it.
Okay.
Okay. So here is your repo, Praveen.
Now I really
Please
need
click
to
on
go
that.
into
Please
the
click
chats
on
and
that. Please
see
click
it.
on the link, please. No. Please click on the Praveen GitHub README thing, please. Yeah. Here is your repo, Praveen. Okay. It is fetching all the things. You just start to add the issues over here. People can like, comment, and do everything. Okay. And you
But
just need
wait,
to
but
add the
we
issues.
really need not. We should not do anything here. I mean, sorry. Just to make it clear, it is cat syntax / GitHub README, not Praveen
Mm.
Science / GitHub README. So this
Mm.
is just for a demonstration purpose. And I also, dude, if you want, I will just directly call them up and ask them to add my repository. Something.
Yeah. I'll tell them to add a repository as well today. This is a demo that
So this
we
is just
have
a
the
demo
cats and tech
purpose,
now.
folks. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna actually delete
You
this.
can like, comment over as well. All project admins adding from the creators dashboard. You can like, comment as well their repo. Okay, and you can contribute on the issues that they are having. And now let's come to the questions.
Okay. Questions.
I think there's one. There are 5K plus contributors. How it will be maintained? Okay, so don't worry about the issues, dear. I
I
am
will say
myself
everything is
working
here.
on the issues part.
And
I am working
almost
on
everything
that.
is.
You just focus on your contribution. Me and my team is working on the issues part. There'll be nothing will be happen. The issues will be enough for you to solve. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, don't like just worry that only 5,000 people and only this many. Don't worry about that. Issues are a lot. Okay, and now let's come to build your own project.
Hey, one more
Then I'll
question
invite.
from Jay Argent
Yeah.
SOS. A lot of people are asking if they can join SSoC right now.
Right now, I think it's not possible because if they have got the selection mail, then only they can join. It has the Discord URL. Until unless you cannot join because registrations are already closed on 31st of May. Yesterday itself, it got closed. I'm so sorry for that. I think so. You can participate in the other program in winter, SWOC. That will be a better opportunity for you to join. Okay. So sorry for that. And any other questions you have, let me just see.
So this is mainly for a person called Trupti Wag, my good friend, and I just Trupti, now you know SWOC is going to welcome you.
Okay, so I'm just saying how to contribute, guys. I have told you how to contribute. Please see the recording in the back. I've told you go to coin, select the issue, go to GitHub. You ask the admin to assign you. They will assign you the issue, and then you start working. Whenever you do the PR and it's get merged via GitHub, okay, you get automatically the dev rank score on coin. Okay, I'm again saying it.
I'm just going to quickly
Now,
answer a couple of questions.
Yep.
Yes, we will be showing a small example of how to contribute. That's yes. And we have got, if you have just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that is enough for
that's we have that's there in the Tushar's project, the front end projects.
There are like
HTML
loads and
and
loads of projects that you can actually use up.
don't worry, man. Tushar has these things. Tushar
And
will be
even I
telling you.
have it, man. Even I have it. But
Don't
just,
worry, man. You have a lot of. I've taken
and
those projects.
Initia, how much React knowledge is required? If you just know the basics, that is all enough. We are all here to help you out. So yeah, go ahead, Jay. It's yours.
Okay, so now it comes for build your own project. So basically, I started an initiative last time in SWOC to tell contributors that you can also build your own project. You can build your open source project, whatsoever thing you have, whatsoever like outstanding out of the box ideas you have. They build the projects and we reviewed them as well. This time as well, we'll be having build your own project because I know that everyone has unique ideas. Why not to give them a stage where like you can just be yourself, just make a good project. That's a build your own project purpose. Okay. So now comes how it works. You can build any project. We'll be giving you a form to fill. Okay, we'll be keeping on track, and there is a channel. We have made all the channels of a project for build your own project. It will be totally under me. We'll be having regular meetings for the people who are building their own project. For any issues, you can contact me in that channel. not in any discussion or any other channel, that will be very difficult to answer because all the people then start messaging. Contact to the admins in the respective channels that are public on Discord. Okay. So now comes with how it works. Okay. So you have to build your project. After building the project, whenever you deployed it on GitHub, on the spot, open coin, go to creators corner, add your repo to it, add your creators comment as Praveen has done earlier, and submit it. And from that, you start making your project in that, and coin will automatically update it, and we'll be seeing it, and people can like, comment, and we'll be also doing the same. Okay. We are giving you a platform now. Okay. Now, man, Himanshu, stop spamming for the Tushar's project. I'm till now not invited any other project admin right now. Please don't spam the comments. Let me just answer what I'm saying right now. Don't spam that Tushar project not shown. It was shown earlier as well in LinkedIn Live as well. Today as well, everyone is here. We'll be showing it. Okay. So this is how the build your own project works. Who wants to work and build your own project? Because I want few people who would like to come in and build their own project. It can be anything in Web3, ML, in front end, React, backend, any other technology. We are here. We are here because I want you to build your own projects because that is good. Because after building on GitHub, just go to Coin Creators Corner and just add it. The same way the Praveen done for his Cats and Tech repo. Okay. I just, those who want to work, just say me or something because this is a good way to connect with you all. I think Sayush wants you to come in. You can come in, Praveen. You want to come in.
Sorry, man. Fans.
They have a lot of fans. Please come in. I want them.
Okay.
Praveen is there, man. Don't worry.
I'll quickly talk for some time. So, okay. So, Divyanshu has something to tell you. Ask Jay regarding the issues and ask, okay, see, this is something related to what project admins would like to do. For example, in Cats and Tech repositories, I am not at all creating any issues. I'm letting all the contributors to create issues. I hope this answers you because it is depending, it's their project. They have to decide on it. And as a platform, I guess Jay has got only very limited amount of restrictions he can put on any project, like saying like,
okay, so basically I'll come in, Praveen. So for the issues part, projects are here. You can get the issues, but I want project admins to do that because that will be a better way. That coin will also fetch it because you are just making the issue and doing the contribution. No worries about that. If you have any issue, just contact that particular project admin in Discord channel. Add them to have an issue. Tell them the issue. If they say that it is a mandatory thing, they'll add issue and then you can start working. Simple thing. You don't need to have to make issue. Issues will be made by project admins only to make it more easier. Okay. So any other doubts you have?
Jay. Some people were asking something which even I need. We need a written documentation of how to contribute to through.
Yes.
Because even I need as a project admin a lot of mentors.
I'll be making. I'll be giving.
Make sure you put a lot of images. I'll be
making that.
Hey, by the way, I wanted to also show a quick contribution guidelines, which I did for my old project. I'm just going to quickly show it. And then it is mainly for Jay to follow the same style. So basically, this is the README project. I don't know. I already tried grabbing it from the other project, but let me try to see. All right, I guess I'm okay. Resume. Yeah. So, Jay, it would be really helpful if you can do something like this. So here is a Git flow, which we are following in Girl Script Summer of Code. What you need to do is do this. If you do this,
I'll ask the team, they will share the contributing file or something that will benefit them. Okay, don't worry about that. I'll share the screenshot.
And for others, if you are going inside a project, please look at the README file, read it through fully because most of your questions will be answered via that, and then start asking questions. I have seen a lot of issues. For example, if you take these issues, I have seen a lot of people who have like literally asked for a crazy kind of a thing. For example, I wanted to also look at this particular part. So this person wanted to have a sign up page for the website. I very politely answered, "Did you really know what is the project about? Kindly read the features for me." That's it. Okay. And then they themselves close the issue. The reason is, if you go to the code and the features are like literally in front. For example, the product features, no login or registration required. In spite of that, they made this sign up page. I mean, like, why? Read the read. Simple. That is.
So I'll suggest also one more thing.
Yeah.
For the steps, I want project admins to come in because they have their own projects. And repos and topics are listed on coin. Require some knowledge. See, guys. SSoC is for beginners only. What coin is intentionally doing to help you to start with the open source. If you have knowledge in any whenever I give workshop in open source, I only say one thing: to get started with any issue, any project, start with the knowledge of that particular language first. Then only step in the coding part, because without understanding the code base, you cannot do anything. I've given the same thing in many workshops. The same thing I'm saying right now as well. Okay. And the whole procedures, admins, you can make a file for the coin part that I've explained in the meeting. Make a file of a PDF kind of thing, and you can share that file in the Discord in your particular channel. Okay. That how contribution via coin on GitHub will work, so that they will get an idea. Also, I'll be also sharing few guidelines on Discord, because now they'll be having community calls. Every month there'll be community calls to make you active. As like you become an active, you will say that, man, what is happening? So you have to be active in Discord. I'm again saying, stop mailing me and all. You have to be active on Discord, because if you are not active, that will more issue for you. Okay. So yes, mentors are already assigned with the project admins. Mentors are already there. Don't worry about the mentors part. And now I would like the project admins to come in. They can start sharing their screen and they can introduce their project. Okay.
A quick thing that I wanted to add on to here. So mentors are for projects. So the hierarchy is like this. Let's say there are like 10 projects under SSoC. Each project will have the project owner, right? I have submitted a project called CatSynTech Resume or CatSynTech GitHub README. So I am the owner of that project. And to support me, there are a couple of people who are project mentors. So mentors are not for individual people, but for the project. And if you get stuck with that project, those 3 mentors or 5 mentors, how many of them are assigned to that project, they will help you to finish it or guide you how to do it if you're stuck about it. I believe I answered that question, Insia.
Okay, so I think so now we can have one by one, we can invite the admin. They can start speaking, and I think so they will share the screen as well. So I will like Akshita, you can start. Okay, you can share your screen. Praveen, she was sharing her screen, and she can start.
Jay, don't confuse. She's sharing the screen or I sharing the screen?
No. She will be sharing her screen. You just do the YouTube part.
Okay, so I'm sharing the screen. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, Praveen, just check it out. Yes, it's visible now.
Okay, I'm switching off my video. Tushar, you as well switch off your video.
Okay, so hey everyone. So this project is Phase 6, and So phase 6 is all about, it contains all the algorithms and operations that can be applied on a human frontal face. And it contains various operations like facial recognition, detection, face mask detection, product recommendation. Also, it contains FaceX Web. It is the very recent issue. So, because the tech stack of the project is mainly Python, ML, also like artificial neural network, CNN. So, I have added this FaceX Web thing that is for the beginner, like those who know HTML, CSS. In this FaceX Web, we are developing a website for the FaceX, like whatever operations that have been implemented till now. So the participants, they can work on it, and the algorithms you can directly test in the graphical user interface. So some part of the FaceX website is like the front end part is on it's on progress, and I'll create some issues regarding this website part. If I talk about the recognition algorithms, there are various recognition algorithms till now. So most of the algorithms are implemented. So what I suggest to the new participants is like they can go through the algorithms and they can see like if they can improve the accuracy of them. Regarding the comparative study of these algorithms, this is also available. Like which algorithm is like what is the accuracy of each and every algorithm. Just test it out if you want to work on any kind of algorithm. Now there is for the beginner, if you want to start learning with the Python, like face detection and all, you can go for the Snapchat and Instagram filters. So for these filters, like you can create filters, because when you will learn how to create filters, you will know what is face detection. After that, you can go with the facial recognition part. So this is also a beginner level issue for creating a Snapchat and Instagram filter. Now there is another folder for the recognition using IoT. Like if you are good in IoT, so you can work on the recognition using IoT part. Some of the like implementation is done like using Raspberry Pi, Arduino. The hardware you must be having that is required for that, because some were asking like is hardware required for IoT? So you should be having that for working in this aspect. Also regarding motion animation filter, like there are a lot of there is awesome face operations. When you visit that, there is a lot of operations that have been implemented, like clustering, generation, alignment, swapping, lot of operations. And some of the operations which are not implemented, they're already mentioned in the README. So I will first request everyone to go through the README of the project, because firstly you should understand what project is all about, what kind of operations have been already implemented and what is required. There is a contributing guidelines in the project that you can follow before contributing. If you are very new to open source, then you can check out like how to get started with open source. Everything is mentioned in like how to install this project, and if any issues that you are having, then you can let me know in the Discord channel. I'll be there to help you all. Also, I'll create issue in this repo, as like if some of the like if you have any feature request or a bug report, just let me know. I'll create myself the issue and will assign you the same. So this was all about FaceX, and this is the coin repo of FaceX. So you can check out this and you can go through the issues that are being unassigned. Just comment on them, and just don't comment. Just write like what actually like how you will solve that particular issue. Because just commenting like I want to contribute, I will not be able to understand like how you will be contributing. So please mention like what resources you will be taking, and you can take time on creating that particular issue. So this was all about FaceX, and thank you everyone.
Okay.
My screen is visible.
Praveen, please add Tushar in, please.
Already done, bro. Continue. It is
Done. No worries. Over to you, Tushar.
Hey everyone. My name is Tushar Kesarwani. I am sophomore at Triple IIT Gorakhpur. I am the project admin of front-end projects repo in SSoC 2023. I already worked as a project admin in SWOC 2023. Now let's come to the project part. As you all can predict the tech stack of the project, they are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basically. If you don't know how to get started, I have already attached some links here in the README where you can visit the basics like forking a repo, how to clone a repo, how to create a pull request, and getting started with Git and GitHub. Now, if you don't know how to contribute, I have already attached the steps like take a look at the existing issues or create your own issues. Yeah, you can create your own issues if you want to add any new front-end project and wait for the issue to be assigned to you. I will assign all the issues to everyone. Don't worry about that. And you can fork the repo and create a branch for any issue. If you are going to work on a new issue, then you have to create a new branch and start working upon that. And after completing your issue, you can create a pull request and you can add screenshots what you are adding, like what project you are added and all about that. You also can mention the thing you are adding. And here is the contributors list. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay. So Tushar, just share your coin repo as well so that they should be know what sort of issues are there.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm sharing. Um, I will be at it. Here is my project on Coin. You can all contribute in this.
It is
Here is
not
the
visible.
side
I think
projects.
so. It is not visible, Tushar, where you have shared. No, it's not visible. Just check it out. Praveen, just check. Yeah, now it's
Now
visible.
it's
Jay, Jay,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am new to Quine as well, so it's better you do
No, no,
that.
no. It's screen was not coming on YouTube. Okay. So yeah. So this
yeah.
is how
Here is the
it is.
project.
No,
Here
the
is my
screen is
project and
perfectly visible on YouTube. No issues from my side.
Okay, no worries.
I'm
okay.
watching from three different screens, three different networks.
Mhm.
And here is the issues or you all can contribute. That's all.
So as per Tushar's project, the score is 144 per issue solved. Okay. I'm again
Yeah.
saying you can comment as well where you can talk in the Discord as well. Okay. To Tushar for any sort of issues. He will assign you. You can like, comment, do everything over here. And now I would like to have in Viklash. I want Viklash in now for his project. We get started.
Hey, I am audible.
Viklash, just share your screen,
Just switch
please.
on your screen, man. Sorry, switch
Yeah,
on your
yeah.
video.
Video actually, I guess there is something glitch in my browser.
No worries, just share the Introduce your project.
So hello all. This is Vikas Kumar Yadav, and currently I am pursuing my BTech undergraduate from Chandigarh University. I am also a contributor at Layer 5 Kubernetes and Noceri. So in spite of this, I am also GitHub Campus expert, and currently I am doing training. Right. So this is my Queen repo. Right. So here it's my project is future.webnet. It's a blockchain project. It's combination of blockchain projects. Yeah. So it's a okay. So basically, currently there are three open issue. I guess someone opened the issue on my GitHub, right? So so basically, the I guess there are there is 79 score for per issue. So soon I will be making more issue on my repo, and and if anyone wants to means uh, share their idea like what they want to build, uh, so they can comment under this issue, right? I have created just now. Make your own issue under SSoC, right? So if anyone wants to means give any ideas that what they want to build, or if any kind of issue, then they can comment under this issue, and I can assign them, and I will create that issue, and I will assign them as well, right? So if I talk about my project, so it's a future.webnet. It's a combination of various blockchain projects, Web3 projects, right? So uh, so if someone is means landing first time on future.webnet, then I recommend you to just go through the readme part. Here is the full readme, right? So my project is a part of all these programs, right? So if anyone wants to make a pull request, or want to start, or someone who is very beginner to the open source and didn't know how to contribute or how to open a pull request, right? So they can he or she can take help from this, right? So if I talk about my okay, let's if anyone is not familiar about a Web3 or a blockchain, and he or she wants to learn, right, to contribute in my repo. So I have also attached the link for Hardhat and Web3 tutorial. They are the means basic requirement for contributing in this project, right? So mm, if I so if someone who didn't know about blockchain stuff, right? So here also here's I created a front-end project in that you can contribute with the my I guess skill of your front end, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js, right? So please don't spam in this repo, because my future.webnet is means currently I'm accepting only the blockchain project. So if any case I can accept front-end projects as well, right? So there are three levels: level 0, level 1, level 2. So level 0 is just like basic Web3 project, right? For example, Hello World. And if any person want to send some ethers, some testnet ether from one person to another person, that comes in the basic project. Then level 1, then basic plus 1 means medium project, and level 2 project, right? So if anyone wants to means contribute to documentation part, then he or she can just check out my blog section, right, where I'm accepting blogs on Web3 blockchain, right? So he or she can just comment on under this issue, uh, uh, that what type of blog he or she wants to begin with, then I can write the blog, right? So if I talk again about Queen, so as I know you all are familiar with Queen. If anyone is not familiar with Queen, then soon we have a session with JSR and Queen on 3rd of June. So stay tuned for that. So if I walk you through the Queen, so this is my project. So uh, uh, here it is. You all are gonna see the issue, which means currently there are not many issues, because as I'm busy with my exams. Right now exams is going on. So today I guess my exam no yeah today my exams is over. So soon I will making 10 to 15 issues by end of the day, means by 11:59 p.m. today. So don't worry for the issue. And yeah, and ultimately when I make a issue and the engagement will come, then scores ultimately increase. And yeah, that's all about this.
Okay. So now I'll come for the questions part now. Okay. So I think so algorithm admin is not here because he has his office and all. I'll be having a session for you for algorithms. He'll be telling about all the things. You can comment in the algorithm channel. He'll be happy to help you for that. And for making an issue, I have told you earlier as well, contact your admins. Admins will be making the issue right away. Okay. And I've seen many of the um, issues regarding contributions and all. Like this is how we'll be going with the contribution stuff and all. And if I come to the build on project thing, and build on project thing, if you have any idea you want to build, you can start building on GitHub. After that, just from greatest dashboard, add your repo in coin so that we can do the judging part. We'll have a separate judges that I'll be inviting soon from various companies, which will be judging only your projects. Okay. And you'll be getting scored as per the coin algorithm only, the coin Dave rank system only. Don't worry about that. I'll be giving you a detailed explanation on the detailed guidelines for build on project thing soon. And for the rest of the projects like algorithm, FaceX, and Future WebNet or Cats and Tech, they'll be sharing you the guidelines and how the coin thing will work and how the issues will be getting solved and all everything. So we'll be giving you the documentations in that. Till then, you can start your contributions after the session, and you can start contributing in open source from today itself because it's a 2-month long program, as mentioned everywhere, and this is the right time to do. Okay. So any queries, any things you have, just type in the chat. I'll be happy to help.
Now I'm taking over for a few minutes. I'm also going to send a LinkedIn link for any questions that are unanswered through this live chat, and also tag Jay for answering all those questions as well. And now what I'm going to do is quickly do a rapid fire answering of all the questions, whatever I can answer or Jay can answer. And then we are wrapping up this session because my boss is pinging me and I'll get
okay. So for the deep learning and for algorithm, we are having a session because I have the offices and all. Don't worry about that. You can tag in the channel that we have created and they will be happy to help. Just ask your questions so that you can all start. How to find projects on Coin? We have already given, like those are the public projects which are visible, and for the rest of the projects is the links already there in Discord.
And Shubham, for contacting the project admins for creating new issues, the easiest way is to check in GitHub as well as the project list. By the way, SSoC has got this separate page for project list. Does SSoC have got similar to that, Jay?
Okay, so Divyanshu, there is on the, yeah, you can raise the basic issue. Don't worry, Coin will automatically fetch it. It will take that issue. Don't worry about that.
I'll have project list,
that as well.
Jay, project list. Project list. Where do we find the project list?
Project list is also there on the Hack to Skill site as well.
Okay,
on
Hack
that
to Skill site. All right.
Yeah,
okay.
We have mentioned and also mentioned the whole list in the project admins channel on Discord.
Okay, Discord has got this project admins. Discord has got its project admin channel. It has got all the list of projects. At the same time, in Hack to Skill as well, the project list is there. So if you go into a project list and if you open a single project, you would be able to check that there are inside the project, you will be able to find the project admin, the mentors associated with it. And this is a small notice to the project admins. Please put the project admin name, obviously your name. I know, I understand that it could be absurd at times. Put your name as the project admin. At the same time, specify who are all the mentors in the project, like how I have specified in my application, my project README. And for all the contributors, please, as Akshita said, first read the README, understand the project, find what you can add to it. If there is already an issue for that, if it is not accepted, go and ask it to be assigned and start working on it. If not, if there is a thing that is already assigned, try to tell your inputs as well. This is an amazing issue that I wanted to do, but it is already assigned, but I just wanted to add a few words on it. Like that you put, if that issue itself is not there, number one, if the project admin allows you to create the issues, raise the issue yourself and then start working on, ask it to be assigned to you. Then once you get the assignment done, start working on it. You can check if this issue is assigned to you or not by looking at the assignment on the right side of the issue.
And Praveen, also there are a few questions I want to answer. Yeah, for the points thing, it will always depend upon the popularity of that repo. That is same the GitHub do. Okay, based on that the pointing system occurs. Same the coin is doing that based on the popularity of that particular repo and how many contributions are happening in a particular month. So that's the way how coin is working on. And those who are making the issues, you can make the issues, don't worry. It will be shown up on coin soon and you can start contributing from today onwards. You can select issues from GitHub as well. Points will be automatically updated on coin by default. Don't worry about that. It's just a way of medium to make sure that a good traceable things are going on for you, because this time you have a lot of contributors and we want to make a seamless process for you all. And for build on projects, I'll give you the guidelines by today. That was the guidelines, because if I say you can build any project that you want, either in Web3, AI/ML, any topic you can make. Scoring will be done by a separate judging team that I'll be introducing you. Okay, and also for the scoring part will be as per the coin algorithm only. And for the if I say the guidelines, I'll show you the guidelines. Guidelines will be simple, that you need to add the open source license, you need to add the GitHub README file, you need to add the contribution file, and you have to start building your project. After adding your project on GitHub, just add that on Coin Creators dashboard so that we can also start tracing your project and give some good comments. Okay, any other queries, and then we'll wrap up this session. Any other queries, guys?
A lot of people are still saying that they raised an issue yesterday and it was not.
It will be seen soon only. I'll talk to Coin. No worries about that. You can raise the issue. Admins just start assigning the issues from the GitHub side. Okay, and the scoring part will be done automatically by Coin. Okay, any other queries, guys? Any other queries? And then after the session ends, start contributing.
I just wanted to add one more part here. Yeah, it's about my project at this point. So let me quickly share my screen so if you see here, right, this is my channel, and boom, wait, sorry about this. Okay, there is a playlist which contains, I know it is absurd to tell this here, sorry Jay, SSoC 323 Cats and Tech README. So there are like a couple of videos here which tell everything about open source. At the same time, there are like loads and loads of things. I know it's a shameless publicity, but still. Okay, so this has got a visual walkthrough of how to publish or how to start with your open source journey if you're completely new. So check these things out. I'm putting this playlist on the chat as well, so have a look at that. And apart from this, if you have got any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to talk to me or Jay or anyone here. I have also pinned a comment where you can add your questions in case if it is not answered by any of us. I will make
sure. I'll just answer one question. There's many of you saying that there's no Android project, Java project. What we have done now, we are asking you to create your own project. That's why we have added most of the titles this time in build your own project, that you can build your own open source project, whatsoever thought you have. And we are giving you a platform where you can showcase your learnings that you have. Okay, that's the main perspective of build your own open source project. Okay, that's why we have not added many of the projects of these topics. That's why we have added in build your own part. I'm again repeating, build your own part. We have added these projects. For the build your own project, I'll be showing you the documentation. For the rest of the documentation of the projects, the project admins will share you on Discord. You can tag them and they'll be sharing you all the documentations. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Any other queries? Because we have to wrap up the session so that you can start contributing by today.
I need to also leave to my office, please.
Yeah, I'm just guys, just tell right away. Else you just tag
Okay.
me in. I'll just
Also,
have a
I
look.
have added the link for the LinkedIn post where you can add questions. Jay better answer them in the comments there.
No worries, I'll do that. For now, we have what is my project section.
So Pranish is spamming something. My project section is closed. What does that mean?
I don't know for which project he's asking.
Pranish, be clear, man, please. It would
Please
be really helpful.
I
if
am
you are
unable to
clear.
get the point.
We are really ready to help you. So what do you mean by that? Abhishek?
Yes. Oh yeah. For the contribution part, you can contribute in any project. This time you have freedom. Everyone has freedom. You can build your own project as well.
So
Okay.
one small tip regarding how many projects can I take up. So basically, it depends on people, individual people. So in case if you are able to do, my personal suggestion is start with one single project, look into that, complete the issue, then start with this next project. There is no limit to go for any number of contributions, but we suggest having maximum take only 3 projects because that will make you focus more and give a better result. But if you can do, obviously take unlimited projects, unlimited issues. But if you take an issue, please make sure quality is more important than quantity.
Yes.
Alright.
And any other questions, guys, you can start contributing. Edwin, start assigning the issues after the end of the live stream.
We have a lot of requests related to machine learning and data science.
There is a repo named as algorithm. Edwin is not here. You can tag him. I'm arranging a session on Discord itself because these both were having the offices and all. Don't worry. The sessions will be happening of algorithms and DLML simplified on Discord. Don't worry.
And Pranish says like, I cannot go to GitHub. I cannot press it. I mean, what do you mean by, are you not able to go to Quine and log in with GitHub, or like try refreshing the page and see that
might be some network issue if this is the issue.
Pranish, it could be a network issue.
I don't have link. Not getting the point. Pressing on my project like.
No, maybe Pranish, why don't you message Jay on Discord so that you can also share?
Because I'm unable to get your point because you are telling me in cuts.
Yeah, okay. And Devesh, recording will be there. Yes, obviously.
So I've already told that this time we have taken few projects because we have seen in previous programs that if we take 100, 120, 200 projects, many of the project admins become inactive and also contributors become inactive because of this. That's why limited projects, and we this time are giving you an option that you can also build your own project on GitHub and add it via Coin, and through this we are doing it. Okay. Any other queries, tag me in Discord or raise a ticket and I'll help you out. And don't please spam the ticket. If you have any genuine issue, then only tag or comment to me. Else you can connect with your project admins regarding that. And because if you have the same issues, no one will be answering, especially I will not be answering the tickets. If you are just saying that I'm unable to get something and my SSoC pass is not there, I have already commented all the things in the announcement section itself. Okay. For the make your own projects, you itself is a project admin. You. For make your own project, you itself is a project admin. You itself is a project admin.
One more thing which I wanted to say is, one more thing which I wanted to mention is, first point of contact should be your mentors. First, go ahead in the GitHub repository, try to discuss everything there. If that doesn't work out, contact the mentors first, then contact the project admin on Discord, and then worst case, talk to Jay because he's extremely busy.
Yeah, mentor is there for build your own project. We have the mentors as well. I'll be connecting you all in Discord so that you can start having a word with them for the build your own project part. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Else we wrap up the session and you start your contribution on Discord and project admins. Now you can start the assigning issues. Be active on Discord and please start assigning the issues after the session ends. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Just ask right away. Else you can end the session because I want you can start right away. Mentors will respond, dear. Who is this drama hub? I don't know your full name, dear. Mentors will respond. Don't worry about that. Mentors are already there in Discord. Okay. Any other queries? Any other queries, guys? Just ask right away.
A lot of people are right now asking me personally that they want to join this. Should we do something?
Right now, like I think so, registration is actually closed, to be honestly, Praveen. For SWOC, I would like we can have a pre-session as well for Winter of Code, and we can have them all as well. Don't worry. The thing is, like the registrations yesterday itself closed.
Okay, got it.
Okay. For
as
SWC,
always,
I would give a formal invite to them. Okay. Any other queries? Okay.
as always,
The idea submission. Okay, guys. The idea submission thing is the project submission on Hack to Skill that you have to do when the contribution phase is getting over. You have to submit a project on Hack to Skill where you have to tell whatsoever you have built in during the program. Okay. Right now you will be unable to do because we have closed from the backend. See the timeline. I'm again saying see the timeline which is there on Hack to Skill. We are going based on that. Okay. I'm again saying just see the timeline. Any other queries? Time limit is there. The program lasts for 2 months. Okay. So just see the timeline. Timeline is having everything that we have built on Hack to Skill site from where we have registered. Any other queries, guys? Any other queries you can ask? Okay. Yeah.
One more thing. This is something related to my project, and can I say that? If you
Yeah.
don't have anything else. Okay.
No.
Cool. Check out the project videos, and if someone is interested in cats and tech, you can directly message me on LinkedIn. So go ahead, talk to me, and I would be able to spend some time to guide you with all these things. So, yep, I hope that helps. And as I mentioned, Jay will be answering most of the questions that are not that are not answered during this live stream by in this link. So go check that out as well. And
So for the community bonding thing, guys, that's the events that you'll be having, learning period. Like you can learn more and more language like Git, GitHub, open source stuff and all. That's the community bonding thing. Okay. So I think so. Let's end the session, and now I'll meet you in Discord. Okay. And you can start contributing after the live stream ends. So over to you, Praveen. Now you can go ahead.
okay,
And
so
say it,
as always, stay home, stay safe. Don't stress out. It is just a journey. It is not a competition. Enjoy the journey, and then we are all here to support you in your open source starting beginners. If you're a beginner, it's going to be amazing. If you're an expert, take it as an experience. And for any queries or anything, talk to your project admins and mentors. They will be super helpful. And I'm looking forward to all your contributions. Stay home and stay safe. Jay, any last words?
Nothing. Now I would like to meet all the contributors in, and I'll help you out to become a good contributors now, because I want to give you a stage, and those are building their own projects. Go ahead, build their own
It's
projects.
actually a good
now.
idea. Hey, who
Yeah.
wants to do a YouTube collab with me?
You can do. No worries.
So yeah, who
Everyone
wants
wants
to
to
do a
do.
YouTube collab? Just type in YouTube collab in the chat. I'll make sure to reach out to you. I hope, or maybe better thing is just message in that LinkedIn comment in that LinkedIn post, so that I can also we can do something. Because if you're starting to do YouTube and other things, I'm always happy to give you enough advice, because I have been struggling and Jay was helping me. So the same way, I want to also help everyone as well. So
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, for the prizes, don't worry. We have a lot of ton of swags. Don't worry. Okay.
hey, by the way, if
But
you're
the top teams.
one more thing which I want to really say now,
Yep.
go check out my project video. You have more swags.
Yeah, that's not an issue. Okay, guys. So that's all for now. I'll meet you in Discord, and project admin start assigning the issues and start your contribution from today. Okay. All the best, guys. I'll meet you now in Discord.